I have been teaching you how to use Microsoft Excel, and the journey has been so wonderful. But now that we are in the world of AI, I want to start using Google Sheets to teach you. However, I'm not going to neglect Microsoft Excel completely. So I will be interchanging them. Sometimes I will use Google Sheet to teach you. Sometimes I will use Microsoft Excel to teach you. So now, I want to use Google Sheet to teach you how you can track your project. I want to do it in two different methods, when the project is single and when it is complex. To get started with Google Sheet, when you open your browser and you log in with your Google account, you will see these icons here. See Gmail, see images. You see these dots here showing you Google Apps. Then this one will show your profile name. Click on the dots here where you have Google Apps. Click on it. Then you see different apps here. This is Google Sheet. This sheet, click on it. All right, when you click on it, it opens where you have different customized Google Sheets. But in this case, if you want to start newly, click on this blank sheet. Blank sheet. When you click on it, a blank sheet will open. But for me, I'm not clicking the blank sheet. I'm clicking the data I've arranged, which I want to use to teach you. All right? So I will teach you how you can do this on my screen. Look at this completed. Look at this completed. If I uncheck one box here, and this completed is showing 100%, that's the level of progress, 100%. But if I uncheck any box here, it changes to in progress, and the percentage reduces to 86%. Likewise, if I check this one, it changes from in progress to completed, and the percentage also increases to 100%. So I'll teach you how to do that. Then I want to start with this one first. This is the simpler one. So let me teach you this simple one first before we go to that complex one. So now, most of you have some projects in mind. Some of you want to learn data. I want to learn data. Some are saying I want to learn data analysis. Some are saying I want to learn data validation. Some are saying I want to learn data validation. Some of you have a list of tasks you want to do. So many of them. But you are not able to achieve these things, or you are not able to keep the record of your progress. So this checkbox or this tracker, this project tracker, will help you to track the progress of your task. So here we want to insert checkboxes on this column. I want to insert checkboxes on this column. What to do first is to highlight the entire range. Then go to insert where you have this insert. Click on insert. You see checkbox. Click on it. Checkboxes will appear on that column. Now, we want to put whether the project is completed or is undone in this status column. So the formula we want to use is equal to if, open a bracket, if this cell is checked. If a cell is checked, that means that cell is true. If it's not checked, it's false. So we are telling the system now, if this cell is checked, that means it is true, equals to true. All right? If it is checked, that means it is true. But if it is not checked, then it is false. So now, we want to tell the system now, if it is checked, that means if it is true, what should you tell us? Tell us that this job has been completed. So we want to put completed here. Put a comma. Then, if it is false, that is if it is not checked, say undone. Don't forget, whenever you are telling Excel any word or phrase to give you, you must put quotation marks. Then you close your brackets and press enter. You see, it's telling me now that this cell is unchecked, so it is undone. So we want to apply the formula all around. Now it's not saying that all our projects are undone. Is it true? Yes, it is true. All of them are undone. So if we now decide to check some, you see how they are changing to completed, completed, completed. Can you see it? But for me, this undone and completed are all clumsy. So I want to distinguish them. I want to differentiate them so that mere seeing it at first sight, you will just see those that are undone and those that are completed. It will just be eye-catching. So we want to use some formatting rules to do that. So what you do is to highlight this column. So after highlighting, you will right click. You look for more actions. You see conditional formatting. Click on it. It opens this page for you, the dialog box, where you tell the system what you want to do. So here where you have format rules, under you see different rules are here. So you want to choose text that contains, let's say text that contains completed. Give it a, make it bold. That's number 110. Then give it a white font. Then give it a dark green background. Click done. You see, those that are completed are now standing out differently. All right, they are now eye-catching. So we don't want to end there. We want to add more rules for the undone. Instead of for us to right-click and go to conditional formatting again, it's already here. So you just click add new rule. Here, add new rule. Click add new rule. So we want to say text that contains undone. Make it bold. Give it a white font. But this time around, give it a red background. Click done. Can you see? So at a glance, you could know which one is done, which one is undone, and all of that. So if you check anyone, if you finally complete this task, you just check it, you see that it will tell you completed. If you check this one, it's completed. All right. So now, this is a task that you just have to check one box to indicate that the task is completed. But there are other tasks where you have to check different boxes, probably 5, 6, 7 boxes. Maybe those tasks require that you do them every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and thereabouts. How do you do that? That is more complex than this. So in my next video, I will teach you how you can do such complex project tracker. So if you have learned something new today, just let me know in the comment section. Say, I have learned a new thing. And if you want to learn more new things, you know what to do. I don't need to tell you.